Is the screen is visible to you, students? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here is your homework for this energy engineering course. Here we have to perform any 8 experiments. Okay. But we, here experiment number 1, 2, 7 and 8 are compulsory. That we will see. Don't worry. Experiment number 3 and C you need to perform with the help of some suitable softwares. Okay. So the compulsory one is visit to thermal power plant, cogeneration power plant. Okay, so we are doing the study of this cogeneration power plant over here. Then visit to non-conventional power plant. So we will see the model colony biogas power plant over here. Okay, and we will study its components working on. Then we will see the study of FBC systems. We have already covered it. The study of high pressure boilers already covered it. Okay, and we are taking this one, study of cogeneration plant. And then trial on steam power plant and trial on diesel power plant are compulsory one, and you have to do this calculations and graphs over here. Okay. Then we will see the study of power plant instruments. So these experiments are compulsory one over here. So for that the manual is ready. In the manual we will see systematically one by one. So this the experiment number 1 that is visit to thermal power plant. Okay, you just need to read this file carefully. Okay, you need to update the things over here. Okay, and you need to upload the same files to the drive. Okay, the submission link will be shared soon with you. Just keep ready these things. Okay, the submission link will be shared soon. So this is your experiment number 1. Okay, visit to the particular cogeneration power plant. So this is your experiment number 2 where visit to the non-conventional biogas power plant. So here we have taken the model colony biogas plant, address this one. Okay, and the pictures you can see here. This is the project name, mixing chamber of biogas plant. Okay, here Swapnil sir is explaining all the things. Floating dome biogas plant. Okay, and this is taken. Okay, so this file you have to upload it in the submission link. Study of FBC we have already seen in detail. Study of high pressure boilers, that is also covered. Study of power plant instruments is very well covered over here. Okay, you know what are the instruments required over there, pressure gauges and all. So that particular you need to read, modify, add something over there, and you need to upload it on the link which will be provided. Similarly, study of cogeneration plant. Then here trial in this trial on biogas, sorry, diesel power plant, you need to add these things. Okay, so this manual is ready. You need to put the readings and calculations over here, and you need to draw the graph. So this you have to do by yourself, because this is performance is already there in applied thermodynamics. Okay, you just need to uh, do it again. Sorry, we are on steam power plant. So in the steam power plant, basically this these are the readings of steam power plant. You need to take that readings from here. Okay, here dryness fraction is calculated, then here all other things are calculated. So you need to put these things, and you have to calculate up to this, that is boiler efficiency and mass equivalent. And you have to draw the graphs by assuming things. Okay, and you have to draw these graphs by yourself. So this is the submission for experiment number 7. Now, in experiment number 8, you have to perform a diesel power plant trial. So this is already covered there in the applied thermodynamics. You just need to take that particular things from there and write it over here and submit. Okay, so I am not expecting you to write all the things. I want reading, calculations, and this graphs portion. Okay, other you can upload as it is with the help of Word file. No worries. Okay, so this is the submission for the experiment number 8. And here I have kept one extra experiment, that is study of steam turbine systems, okay, governing systems, protective devices, lubricating system, glands and sealing systems. So you have to surf data related to it. Okay, you have to filter it. You have to arrange it conceptually and then you have to upload it. So this is the submission for experiment number 9. So this is all, this particular thing is there, which is now I am embedding in your meeting file. Okay.